Simon, why is the sky blue?
I don't really know. Something about spectrums of light being caught in the atmosphere?
Yeah, but why?
I don't know. Physics?
But why?
You know, this reminds me of something we could actually use relating to setting goals.
Oh, damn it. I've got myself in for another lesson, haven't I?
Afraid so.
Fine, go for it.
So you've likely found yourself at different times motivated to make some kind of change in your life, whether that be your nutrition, training, or possibly something else. But then you struggle to stick to the plan for very long, or you just fail to get started.
Hey, I have done this.
Don't stress, because we all have. And the missing ingredient is knowing your deep why. So let's get into what that is, why it matters, and how you can work out your reasons.
Okay, Logic Rock, teach me your ways.
So your deep why is the foundational reason that you want to change. The real core of why walking a different path is important to you. Knowing this is really important because it helps you to remember why sticking to change is worth it when it inevitably becomes difficult. When you don't know what this reason is, you're going to find that you constantly come up with justifications as to why this time you don't need to follow your behaviour. As the focus in the moment of day-to-day life is usually dictated by your short-term gremlin rather than your logical, long-term human. You may well feel that your why is obvious, but we often answer this question quite superficially if we don't push ourselves to get deeper reasoning. To give ourselves an example, Demi's going to play the role of somebody who wants to work out why change is important to them.
Let's find that why.
So tell me, why do you want to lose weight?
To increase my confidence and avoid health issues.
Okay, but why would increasing your confidence matter to you? What difference is it going to make to your life?
I reckon it would make me more likely to find a partner, and I'd also have more confidence to move up in my career.
Why does finding a partner matter to you?
It would just be nice to find my person. Plus, I'm getting on and I really do want a family.
Okay, and what about your career? Why is it important to you to move up?
I'd like to have more influence in my department and be invaluable to the company. This will allow me to secure my position and get a better salary. Then I could save up for the house I always wanted.
Alright, and circling around something else that you said, why does avoiding health issues matter to you?
Well, you see, there is a history in my family of heart disease.
And why is avoiding that important?
I'm already starting my family late, so I'd love to see my kids grow up and have their own one day.
Ah, and there it is, we've got your whys. So, in summary, this person's whys, their reasons to stay focused when it becomes difficult, are 1. To meet somebody and start a family. 2. To be invaluable in their career, giving them job security and a good salary. And 3. To be around so they can watch their kids grow up and start their own families. Ask yourself why the change you want to make is important, and then just keep digging down into that. Asking yourself for each answer you give, why does that matter to you?
Alright, I'll give it to you. You did manage to bring that around to being interesting in the end. Well done.
Thank you, I do try.
So in summary, finding your whys are really important because it ties into who you want to be and what you want your life to look like.
Yeah, exactly. It matters because in the moment, trying to change behaviour is always difficult at the beginning. Therefore, it's really useful to have a very clear understanding of why change matters to you.
Well, there we go. Our reasons matter to us.
They sure do, but luckily finding yours, hopefully, doesn't now feel too difficult. All you need to do is keep digging deeper and asking yourself, why? Why is this important to me? Why does this matter? Why will this make a meaningful change to my life?
Thank you so much for watching, and if you think this video could be helpful to one of your friends, please do share it with them. And if you found this helpful, please give us a like and a subscribe. We're always thinking of new videos to help you on your lifelong changes, so keep an eye out for the next one and we'll see you there.